Hi everybody, welcome to another installment of Cosplay Cuisine. I hope you've all had a wonderful week and enjoy my video. Hello everyone, I bet you can't tell what we're doing today, so I am dressed as Spider Gwen. We are making some Spider Gwen cupcakes. So I have all the ingredients laid out ready. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 180 Celsius. Then you're going to get 110 grams of butter, put that in a mixing bowl and mix it with 110 grams of caster sugar. Now you're going to mix these together until they blend nicely and it should show up nice and white and creamy. After this, you're going to get 2 eggs. They should be slightly mixed already. Now gradually add those eggs in and whisk them into the mixture. Just nice and gradually. You don't want to put it all in at once. And just whisk all of that together. Now you're going to add your flour. Now you need 110 grams of self-raising flour. And you're just going to add in a little bit of milk, not too much, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Just enough so the mixture has a nice consistency to it. Now add in the rest of the flour. Again, this needs to be done quite gradually. And you're just going to add in a bit of vanilla extract and some pink food coloring. Now I did the pink food coloring quite gradually just because I didn't want it to go too dark. So just do a few drops at a time until it's the right color for you. As you can see, it's going nice and pink now. Now that's the kind of nice pink color that we want. Now you're just going to spoon the mixture into your cases. Now this mixture should go into 12 cases, so you should have 12 really nice cupcakes. You're only going to fill it a little bit because we're going to put some unicorn sprinkles in the middle of the cake. So only do a tiny little bit just to cover the base of the case. I don't recommend doing this with gloves on. Now you're going to grab your unicorn sprinkles and you're just going to place them in the middle of each cupcake case. So it'll be a nice little surprise when you bite into the cupcake. You're now going to take your mixture again and just pop that on top of the sprinkles that you've put inside. these cupcakes would be great at parties. Now you're just going to put these in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure they're nice and cool before you start decorating. You're just going to get some icing sugar, mix it with a little bit of water, and just spread that over your cupcake. Try and get a nice even texture. So I've cut off the tops of my cakes just so it's a bit more of a flat surface. And I've got a knife and I've just put it in some hot water and I'm just spreading it over the cupcake. You'll get less crumbs on the top of your cake if you put it in hot water. Now this bit does take a bit of time just because icing sugar is quite thin, so you need to put a couple of layers on it so that you can see the white. Now you're gonna put a bit of that pink food coloring in some more icing sugar, and I've just put that into a food bag, but if you have a piping bag that's even better. And you're just gonna pipe the eyes onto the cupcake, so eyes just like mine. Now you've got to be really steady and careful with this bit. And make sure your first lot of icing is nice and cool. You can make these cupcakes not just about Spider-Gwen, you could do Spider-Man ones, any type of superhero ones, whatever you like, and they'd be great for kids' birthday parties. Now please leave a like and a comment down below. Thank you for watching, everybody. Hope to see you again next week for more fun in the kitchen. Bye guys!